Hey Tara, how's the bread?
I am having a transcendent experience. I have not had real bread with butter for over 7 years. This is like, I can't even describe it. This is chewy. Look, I want you to see what happens when you like pull it apart. You see how it actually like pulls apart. It doesn't break apart. And you can chew it. And you don't crunch it because it's not cardboard. This is making me so happy. There's no eggs in this. There's no dairy in this. What else is not in this?
No wheat.
Obviously no wheat.
No grains.
No grains.
There
but
is.
it tastes like bread.
Yeah.
Even the dusting on the outside. It tastes like real bread. How did you do this? This is witchcraft. Miranda has a special brand of witchcraft.
Yep.
That makes things taste like you remember them. Like, I'm scared to eat it because there's a part of my brain that's going, this has gluten in it. This is not gluten-free bread. I am so happy right now. I have not been happy about food in a very, very long time. A very long time. How many of these have I eaten so far?
3, I think.
So I'm gonna eat the rest of them.
She's like, save room for the bagels.
You need to save room for bagels, and you need to like cut them later so that you can see how they cut. And you need to try them tomorrow so you see how they save. And I'm like, nope, not happening. This is bread with butter on it, just butter, because it's real. Like, it has flavor. It's not like Udi's bread where you have to put something on it to cover up the fact that it's actually just cardboard. Sorry, Udi's. This is amazing, and she said it freezes well. Not that it will ever make it to the freezer. It is so good. Oh my goodness. I'm in heaven.